There's something I've gotta say, might hurt you, but it's the truth. And I know I want the truth. There's been someone else all this time. I didn't want to hurt you, 'cause I love you, and that's the truth. And it breaks my heart to see you cry, but you stay gone. Oh, for too long. I didn't want to, but I got weak without you here. We can make things better, you know. You're all I want. Oh, you're all I need. Yeah, you're all I ever wanted. But I was alone. You said it was over. I got weak. And I admit that I was wrong. But if you'll just come back, we can mend, make things better. Oh, get back on track. Yeah, you're all I ever wanted. And I'm sure this news is hard, but it's the truth. But I feel like a garage door baby. I feel like a garage door baby. Garage door baby. Yeah, you push my buttons left and right. Then you walk out in the middle of the night. Oh, you love me and make me blue. Why don't you treat me like you used to do? Come on, baby, let's talk. Let's dance a little while. Feel like a garage door baby. Garage door, baby. Yeah, one day I'm up, next day I'm down. Next thing you know, you're running all over town. Oh, you're loving it makes me blue. Why don't you treat me like I used to do? Come on, baby, let's fall. A little while. Garage door, baby. Garage door, baby. Garage door, baby. Garage door, baby. No! All you want to do is fuss and fight. Come on, baby, let's talk. Let's sing. Let's dance. Let's make love tonight. Come on, baby, let's talk. A little while. Life's too short to fight. Woo! Something sounds out here. Richmond. Headed down the highway, playing rock and roll. Yeah, headed down the highway, playing some country music. Got to rock and roll. Headed up to Richmond. Richmond, all the doors are locked.